Okay, I'm going to create a network share with Krusader in Kubuntu. So right click the folder I want to share, select properties, then click the share tab, and I don't have Samba installed yet. So if I click install Samba, it says the package failed. So I can click cancel, close Krusader, open a terminal, and type sudo apt install samba-y. When that's done, I can close the terminal and go back to Krusader, right-click the folder again, Properties, Share, and create Samba password. So enter a password for Samba. Click Set Password. Then enter your system password. Then click Share this folder with other computers on the local network. And I'm just going to allow guests, and everyone will have full control over this folder. And when you're done, click OK. Close Krusader. Then I'm going to go to my Ubuntu machine on the network, click Files, go down to Other Locations, select my Joe computer, and there's my shared folder. And I'm going to log in as anonymous so I can just connect. And there's the file I want to share. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.